Okay, update. Took the carbs out, cleaned them. They weren't too bad. Checked the compression. PTO side only has 60 pounds. The mag side has 120, so this side's good. But with that being low, I'm just taking it off. So I took the carbs out, cleaned them, put them back in. Went to, because I just thought, you know what, even if it's at 60, I just want to see if it'll run. I can get it to idle, adjusted everything in the carbs. And my first pull, the pull cord snapped. So I had to take the fan guard and the recoil all off, took the exhaust off. So I thought, you know what, I'm back into it again. Why not at the same time do the top end, redo all the seals, all the gaskets. So that's where I'm at here. And yeah, so I will update again when I would be filming this all, but it's kind of hard because I don't have a tripod, don't have a camera. It's just on my iPhone. But you know, all of it's pretty straightforward. You got 12 mil here, 10 mils there. Pull all these off, pull the cover off, undo your boots here. I just take my T or PS or whatever the hell they're called and just plug them in together so that they don't get all, connections don't get all messed up, because I don't know how long it's going to be open for. But remember, don't leave that like that. Plug them back in to there when you're done. Yeah, I just take these, I think this is a 12, just take the slides off and undo the cables, and I put new fuel in, now I gotta siphon it all out again. And I'm just gonna do the lazy man way of just unplugging these fuel lines and letting the leftovers just drip down there. And yeah, and then we'll see when it's all going. Goodbye.